Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can remove a background on any picture using InShot. This is a simple method and it's actually fast and simple while using InShot. So let's start by finding a random picture we would like to remove its background. So let's for example take this one. And open it in InShot. So now that the app is open, click on Photo. Then click on New. So choose that picture you want to remove its background. Now that it's open, you can see we have so many tools to work with. So simply click on this tool called Cutout. And after it's open, you can see how it immediately removes the background without you having to do any hard work. And for this button you can choose to even erase any area you want on the picture. And if you wish to undo your actions, simply click here on this button, and as you can see it's back to normal. And if you want to remove the background again, simply click here. And now your background it's removed and you can simply save it on your device. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.